So free NFTs, of course, this is a big deal for many people, and it is a very hot topic because NFTs are currently on everyone's lips, and especially when it comes to all of the big auctions and things that we are seeing in the media about NFTs, and they are entering the mainstream so quickly, actually much quicker than all of the cryptocurrencies or anything else from the cryptocurrency sector. So definitely NFT a very hot topic, and today I'm going to show you actually how you can get your hands on a free NFT built on the Tezos blockchain, because it's not only all on Ethereum. Actually, Twitter did a big NFT giveaway recently, 140 NFTs to 140 random accounts who were interacting with the different tweets and everything. I'm not really sure whether this has already finished or is it still in progress, because that was from the 30th of June. It was a couple of weeks ago. But I mean, you can head over to Twitter and find out more about it. But today I'm going to show you how you can still get your hands on a free NFT by random, and you don't actually have to do much. It's going to be very easy and simple. I'm going to show you. But first, let me roll the intro. Okay, so as I said, currently NFTs are mostly built on the Ethereum network, and these can be anything from art creations or gaming tokens, collectibles, lately even short video clips from sports events like basketball, football, or celebrity tweets and tickets, everything really. And since the explosion in NFT auctions this year and the whole sector's very rapid exposure into the mainstream, we are seeing a lot more blockchains implement various upgrades and starting to build applications to support and enable creation of NFTs, which leads to a much greater competition and variety. Already, Binance Smart Chain is the first that pops in my head, but also we saw crypto.com and Engine, Cardano, and many others joining the NFT race, while Zilliqa, Flow, Theta, and Decentraland have been established in this space for some time now. Tezos is another such blockchain. They already launched 3 different marketplaces for NFTs created on their platform, and right now we have a chance of getting a free NFT until the end of this month, July. This is a typical promotion where you give something for free to the customer, but you win these customers as a returning customer for the long run. So you grow your brand and network in the long term. It is a very good marketing method, and I'm all for it. Users can get a free NFT for just opening or already owning a wallet with Tezos. I'll show you where to click for this, and the link is also in the description below. But first, a little bit about Tezos for those who don't really know much about it. Tezos is an open source platform for assets and applications, a blockchain network that is based on smart contracts, in a way not too different to Ethereum. However, Tezos aims to offer infrastructure that is a little more advanced, meaning it can evolve and improve over time without there ever being a danger of a hard fork. This is something that both Bitcoin and Ethereum have suffered since they were created. People who hold XTZ, the token, can vote on proposals for protocol upgrades that have been put forward by Tezos developers, and this open source platform bills itself as a secure, upgradable, and built to last, and says that its smart contract language provides the accuracy that is required for high-value use cases. According to Tezos, its approach means that it is future-proof and will remain state-of-the-art long into the future, meaning that it can embrace developments in blockchain technology and innovations. The XTZ token is the cryptocurrency of the Tezos platform. It is with liquidity proof-of-stake consensus, allowing holders who stake their token to earn staking rewards. The total available supply of Tezos is right now approximately 882 million XTZ, and its circulating supply right now is approximately 852 million. In July 2017, the Tezos team generated around $232 million, an equivalent of 66,000 Bitcoin and 361,000 Ether in its first ICO, which was the largest at the time. Consequent to this initial coin offering, the Tezos Foundation appeared to launch the protocol. Now, Tezos' arrival was actually groundbreaking in a way, with its new approach separating cryptocurrencies into on-chain governance and those with off-chain governance. This new and unique idea brought Tezos a lot of public interest, which was proven by its more than successful funding series in 2017. It officially went live in 2018, and in contrast to other cryptocurrencies such as EOS or Lisk or Tron or BitShares, which are using delegated proof of stake, Tezos uses a liquidity proof of stake algorithm. Similar but slightly different, it allows Tezos software to secure the network, validate transactions, and distribute newly minted XTZ. For governance participation, in other words, to run a node, users need to stake XTZ in a process which Tezos calls baking. Baking is the act of signing and publishing blocks to the Tezos blockchain. It's what we call mining for proof-of-work blockchains. You need 8,000 XTZ tokens to become a baker, and bakers earn a block reward of 40 XTZ for baking a block. Early adopters are at an obvious advantage here, as the price of XTZ was around 40 cents back in 2019. Today it is around $3. In fact, in the last 2 days its price ranged between $3.26 and $2.85, reaching as low as $2.14 and as high as $3.43. Its market cap ranged between 2.77 billion and 2.42 billion, making it 39th in ranking by market cap according to data from coinmarketcap.com, or 44th in place according to CoinGecko, the two leading data aggregators. The token is traded on several exchanges, Binance, bitmex, crypto.com and Coinbase being the most prominent ones, and XTZ is actually one of the top staking coins. Block rewards are funded by protocol-defined inflation, meaning rewards are calibrated so that the number of XTZ tokens grows at roughly 5.5% per year. If 100% of Tezos tokens are delegated, the annualized yield will be 5.5%, but as of May this year, approximately 78.8% have been delegated, including the 10% owned by the Tezos Foundation, so the annual yield is roughly 5.8%. Users can also delegate their tokens to other bakers, allocating votes to other users so they can earn XTZ rewards on its live blockchain. If you don't have 8,000 XTZ or you don't want to set up computing infrastructure to bake blocks yourself, you can delegate your holdings to a baker. Practically, you are lending your tokens, your coins, to a baker, which is a mining company, so you become a delegator. They act as a baker. By doing so, you are giving the baker a higher probability of being selected to bake and endorse blocks. Such is the proof of stake mechanism. The more stake you have, the more baking power you operate with. So bakers usually share the additional revenue generated from the delegated tokens with the coin holders. Most importantly though, this process does not actually transfer ownership from you. You are the owner of your coins, and the bakers cannot spend or control the XTZ amounts that are delegated to them, ensuring that bakers cannot steal or abuse the delegators' funds. About holding your Tezos tokens, there are many wallets with which you can store and use XTZ. These wallets you can see on the screen right now, these have undergone at least one independent external security audit. So it's best to choose one of these. But always remember, if you do not control your private keys, you do not control your tokens. So every user should always make sure that you're using a secure wallet. There is no password leakage or seed phrase leakage or anything like that. Don't store this on your computer or in your mobile phone as text messages or in the cloud, like none of that. Always store these things separately. Ideally have a paper backup, as well as maybe if it's a digital backup, it should stay somewhere on an external hard drive or USB or somewhere that is not in your computer, so that if your computer is compromised, you don't really compromise this important data. So always take extreme care and all available safety precautions when entering private key information anywhere. I use two wallets for my XTZ holdings, Ledger Nano X and Trust Wallet. One is a hardware device and the other one is on my phone, Trust Wallet. That you also get your private keys with Trust Wallet, and it's one of the safer mobile wallets out there. I actually submitted both wallet addresses just to see if I will get two NFTs, but I assume that with the Trust Wallet address I might not be able to access the NFT in the Trust Wallet application, which means later on I'll have to sweep that private key into one of the dedicated Tezos wallets, which is understandable. But how to get your free NFT? Let's see. So this is the website for the giveaway of the NFT. It is tezos.com/create-wallet. and I've got the link in the description below. What's interesting is that if you go directly to their website, to their homepage, you're not going to find a link to this page, and it's because I got it from being on their email list. Maybe they only sent that to their email list subscribers. You should actually get on their email list if you're interested in this anyway, but because you're not gonna have that email, this is the link that you need to follow, and this is the official website. Actually, this is not a phishing website or anything like that. This is Tezos.com. You can literally go to their main website, which is this one, and you can go here /create wallet, and you will actually get on this page, because this is actually why you're getting this NFT for free. What they're asking you is to use one of the official applications for their wallets, and once you have a wallet, all you have to do is just paste it here, the wallet address, and then you will click send me a random NFT. By the 31st of July, you will be getting that NFT by random. So we don't really know what NFTs they are sending out, whether they will be series or just really random from their collection. They have currently 3 different marketplaces that are already operating for NFTs. I've opened them here. This is one of them. This is the other one. This is still in alpha version, and this is the third one which I'm opening right now. So these are the 3 marketplaces that are currently available for various NFTs on the Tezos blockchain. So this is everything you need to do, guys. Grab the link from below there. If you have already a Tezos wallet, then you don't have to create one, but it has to be one of the official wallets that can support NFTs and other tokens, because if you're using Tezos on an exchange, that exchange wallet is not going to be able to be used. Also, as I said, with the Trust wallet, which I'm using, that is not built for Tezos, meaning that I will still have to use that private key for my Tezos address and go and sweep it into a Tezos wallet so that I can access the NFT when it gets sent to me. If it gets sent to me, because I'm not really sure whether Trust Wallet might be exempt from this giveaway. They really want to encourage people to actually use their official wallets. This is the whole purpose. This is why they're giving this NFT for free. So we'll see. As I said, Ledger Nano X is definitely my top choice, and if you have this device, then use it for your Tezos, or pick one of the wallets that are already supported. And as you go here on the official announcement and you click here in wallets, you will open the page where you can see any of these wallets. And of course, Ledger is here, Trezor is also here, so if you have a Trezor, you can do that as well. And then there's a few other software wallets that you can choose from. I think kucoin was the one that is kind of getting more traction, more people are using it, so it's kind of the more popular from all of these, but it's really up to you what you do. You can do some more research if you want to choose any of these, if you are wondering which one is the best one. I don't really use them, so I cannot give you a recommendation here for the software wallets, but from the hardware wallets, definitely Ledger is my top choice. Well, this concludes today's episode of Crypto Corner. Thanks for staying until the end. I hope this brought value to you, and if it did, please share it with someone else who would benefit from the information shared here. Also, show your support by leaving a like and a comment below. Leaving comments will also qualify you for my summer giveaway. You can win prizes in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and a brand new Ledger Nano S, the most popular hardware wallet device on the market. If you are new to crypto, consider getting a copy of my books, Learn Crypto, the ultimate beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrencies, and Crypto Jargon A to Z, a complete dictionary of all the crypto terminology that you see in articles, videos, and on social media. These 2 ebooks have already helped thousands of people turn from crypto newbies to experienced investors who know how the markets operate and how to avoid the mistakes that every new investor makes. Links are in the description below. Make sure that you catch my next episode. If you haven't done that yet, hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. And if you want to see more Crypto Corner episodes, just pick one of these.